Life is hard sometimes. And I'm not talking about just the small stuff. I'm talking about the moments that knock the wind out of you. The moments that make you question everything in your life. The moments where you wonder, am I even going to make it through this? You see, if you've ever felt that way, I want you to stop for a second and just breathe. Because today I'm here to remind you that feeling of being overwhelmed, that feeling you have of being stuck, that feeling you have where you feel like the world is on your shoulders. It doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're human. And it means you're about to find your next step forward. Let's be honest for a moment. Life is messy. Life doesn't come with guarantees. And sometimes it feels like no matter how hard you try, things continue to pile up one after another. Maybe your dreams feel out of reach right now. Maybe doors keep closing when you thought you were finally getting somewhere. Maybe relationships, jobs, or opportunities aren't giving you what you need. And in those moments, it's easy to start doubting yourself, questioning your worth, wondering if it's even worth showing up tomorrow. I want you to hear me when I say this. Those thoughts don't define you. They are temporary. They are the noise that's placed there to distract you from your goal. The truth is this: your life is still unfolding, and your next chapter is already being written, even in the middle of chaos. Let me share something personal with you. There was a time in my life when it felt like nothing was going right. I mean, no matter what I did, it just didn't land the way I planned. I'd wake up every day feeling exhausted before the day even started. Doors kept closing. Opportunities I thought were mine slipped away almost every time. I questioned myself constantly. Am I doing enough? Am I capable? Will this ever work out? God, why are you putting me through this? All I want to do is live a good life and provide for my family. And even in the midst of those moments, that seemed like too much to ask for. And then one quiet moment, I realized something. I realized that life doesn't fail you, it challenges you. It prepares you. It's shaping you. Every setback, every disappointment, every closed door, it was building the strength I needed for the next level of my life. And that's what I want you to take away from this. The struggles you're facing right now, that you're dealing with as we speak or as you listen to this, are not the end of your story. They're the groundwork for your comeback. So here's what I need you to do right now. I need you to decide, are you going to let this storm break you, or are you going to let it make you? You say, Kris, but life is hard. My response, good. That means there's something worth fighting for. Life's gonna knock you down. That's good too. That means you have the strength to keep getting back up. Life feels impossible. I get it, but that's also good. That means you're on the edge of something extraordinary. I don't want you to just survive this. I want you to thrive in it. I want you to take every single challenge and turn it into new momentum for yourself. To take every closed door and see it as redirection, because you are capable of more than you think. Way more. Now, I know what you might be thinking right now. Kris, it's easy for you to say, you don't know what I'm going through. And you're right. I don't know. I don't know the full weight that you carry every day. But here's what I do know. I know that I've walked this path before, and I also know you are not alone. You see, every human being faces moments like this. Moments of doubt, of fear, of being overwhelmed. And yet, every single person who's ever succeeded has faced the same storms and chosen to keep moving forward anyway. That's what makes the difference. Not the storm, but how you choose to respond to it. Here's how you start moving forward today. First, acknowledge your feelings. Don't run from them. Don't bury them. Name them. Accept them as they are. This is strength, not weakness. 2, focus on one step at a time. You don't need to solve everything today. Just one step, one action, one decision. That's good progress for you. 3, celebrate your small wins. Even the tiniest victory matters. It builds momentum, reminds you that you are moving forward. 4, surround yourself with support. People who believe in you, who encourage you, who remind you of your value. You don't have to do this alone. And 5, remember your story isn't over. The next chapter is unwritten. You have the pen, you have the power. Don't quit now. Imagine this. 1 year from now, 5 years from now, maybe even 10 years from now, you're looking back on today and you see it for what it really was. Not the end of your journey, not a failure, but the turning point. The day that shaped your resilience, the day that tested you and you didn't break. You see, you rose, you showed up, you kept moving forward when you thought you had nothing left to give. That's the power you have today, not tomorrow, not when life feels easier, but today. So here's my challenge to you. Stand up if you've been feeling down. Take a deep breath if life has felt heavy. And say it out loud. I am not done. I will not give up. I've got this. Because you do. I really believe that. You've survived every hard day up until now. You've overcome challenges you didn't think you could. And you will continue to rise no matter what comes next for you. And I get it, believe me. Life is hard sometimes. And that's okay. But don't let it stop you. Don't let it define you. Use it. Grow from it. Fight through it. And when you look back, you'll realize the very thing that tried to break you was actually building you. Smile. Laugh a little with me. You've got this. You've come a long way to get here. Keep going. The best is yet to come for you.